Today we are going to discuss how we can forward emails from one email ID to another email ID automatically. Click on your open your Gmail account. Click on this settings icon. Click on see all settings. From here, click on forwarding and add a forwarding email address. Now right here the address on which you want to forward your emails. You want to forward all the emails to this email address. Click on next. And now this pop-up will appear and you have to verify your phone number or email ID. I'm going to forward verify my phone number. Click on next. So email phone number has been verified. Now I will proceed with forwarding mail to this email address. Click on OK. Now I have to go to this email address to my uh, verify the forwarding. Here you have received the email. Uh, to allow, click this link, then click on confirm. Okay, now as it has been confirmed, click on refresh. Now click on forward a copy of incoming email to right here the email address that you have verified. Then click on save changes. Now this pop-up will appear until 7 days.